1968 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe, listed in Katy, Texas, for $18,500. This Camaro has 75,000 miles and is powered by a 383-stroker engine producing 461 horsepower, offering thrilling performance. It features posi traction for improved handling, an MSD ignition for better engine efficiency, and disc brakes for superior stopping power. The car has been garage-kept and well-maintained since the seller became the third owner in 2005. It also has a clean title with no legal issues. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1968) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Mobile, Alabama for $17,000. This classic Mustang features a reliable 289 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and has only 82,000 miles. The car is in excellent mechanical condition with no leaks or issues. It starts easily every time, and the power steering and front disc brakes make driving a breeze. The interior is in great shape and the exterior has no rust, with straight body panels and a clean, attractive paint job. This Mustang has been well maintained and is ready for its next owner. (1966) Buick Electra 225 Coupe, listed in Arlington, Texas, for $16,500. This classic has just 48,000 original miles and has been garage-kept its entire life. It remains completely original with no major modifications. Powered by a 401 cubic inch Wildcat 445 V8, it drives exceptionally well. The interior is like new, and the glass, chrome, vinyl top, and paint are in excellent condition. It comes with the original Protecto plate, owner's guide, and recent maintenance receipts. Recent work includes new ignition parts, drive shaft, suspension components, alignment, and Coker whitewall tires. (1966) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Breaux, Louisiana, for $14,900 or best offer. This classic Mustang has only 42,000 miles and comes with significant upgrades, including a powerful 347-stroker engine and a modern 5-speed T5 transmission for smoother shifting. The front suspension has been upgraded to a Mustang 2 setup, and disc brakes provide better stopping power. Over $10,000 were invested in these performance improvements. The car is ready to drive with a clean title in hand. Please note, the seller is not interested in trades, only cash offers. (1966) Dodge Charger, listed in Kansas City, Missouri, for $13,000. This Charger has 80,286 miles and is mostly solid, with no rust on the floors, trunk pan, or underbody. It features a rebuilt 727 automatic transmission, refurbished original radiator, and new dual exhaust. The engine is a 318 poly wide-block V8, though it burns oil on the left bank. New carpet, taillight lens, spark plug wires, and refurbished hubcaps have freshened up the car. While it's in good shape overall, it does need some finishing touches to complete the restoration. (1964) Chevrolet Corvair Monza, listed in Highlandville, Missouri, for $12,500. This classic Corvair features a rear-mounted, air-cooled 164 cubic inch six-cylinder engine with dual carburetors, delivering 110 horsepower. It has a 4-speed manual transmission for an engaging driving experience. Upgraded with aftermarket Koenig aluminum wheels and slightly larger tires, it offers a sportier look and improved handling. All essential features, including gauges, lights, windows, and windshield wipers, are fully functional, making this a well-maintained and unique classic. (1971) Ford Thunderbird, listed in Roanoke, Illinois, for $4,500 or best offer. This one-owner classic has been with the seller for over 50 years and has 68,000 original miles. It features a powerful 429 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission, equipped with power steering, power brakes, power seats, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel. It offers a smooth and comfortable ride. The vinyl top is in excellent condition, and the floorboards are solid. Rust is present, with minor spots on the doors and major rust on the rear quarter panels. Recent maintenance includes a new electronic distributor, fresh oil change, new spark plug wires, and a transmission flush. (1976) Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, listed in Lakeview, Alabama, for $10,500 or best offer. This Corvette has only 5,000 miles on it, indicating it hasn't been driven much recently. It's powered by a 350 cubic inch engine with Edelbrock aluminum heads and rocker arms for enhanced performance. The engine has been rebuilt, though the exact mileage is unknown. The car runs, drives, and shifts well, with no major issues. It also features a new battery, high-performance starter, and working air conditioning, making it a comfortable, reliable ride. (1953) Ford Customline, listed in Dothan, Alabama, for $12,900 or best offer. This classic has been upgraded with a 350 Chevrolet small block engine and an automatic 3-speed transmission for smooth, reliable performance. It features power steering, a tilt wheel, disc brakes, and a posi-traction Pontiac rear end. Air ride suspension allows for adjustable ride height, and an aluminum radiator with dual fans keeps it running cool. The car has baby moon wheels with white wall tires, a fully functional electrical system, seat belts, and a radio with aux and iPhone charging. Currently driven daily with a clear title in hand. (1968) Plymouth Valiant, listed in Scranton, Arkansas, for $19,500. This Valiant has 125,000 miles and is in great shape with no rust anywhere, even on the frame and body. It's powered by a 360 cubic inch engine with an automatic transmission for smooth driving. The car has 4-wheel manual disc brakes and manual steering, which are effective but basic. The interior is clean, and the car has newer paint, with a few minor flaws. The seller mentions the car can be driven anywhere, making it reliable and roadworthy for regular use.